Hi everyone, it's Dinara here. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Here in my channel I talk about mindfulness and manifesting anything you want. Today I want to talk about 3 things you need to do in order to live the life of your dreams. This will be very practical advices, and I'll tell also about my experience and how it worked for me. So first of all, you need to identify your fears, because our mind thinks, okay, I want a boyfriend, or I want to earn a lot of money, but our subconscious, our soul thinks like, oh no, I don't want a boyfriend because boyfriend means pain. He will break your heart and then you'll be suffering. About money, your soul or subconscious can think like, oh, if I get a lot of money, I won't have any friends because they'll be jealous, I'll be mean like all other rich people, and I'll also be afraid of losing my money, so it's better for me to stay poor and miserable. So the first thing you need to do is to write down all the fears that you have. If you are not in a relationship, or if you don't have $1 million already, that means that you have some fears. Otherwise, you would have whatever you want. So you can write down, just sit and write down what are my fears and let your subconscious speak. Or you can meditate, because it helps to connect with your subconscious, and before meditation ask yourself, okay, what are my fears about being rich? And then while you meditate, some answers might come up. Also, the more you spend time with yourself, the more mindfulness practice you do, the easier it will be to identify your fears. The second thing you can do is to start thinking and behaving like you already live the life of your dreams. What would I do if I already had a boyfriend? I would go to manicure, I would buy myself nice perfume so that I could smell nice for him, and I would wash my head every day, I would wear nice clothes. And it actually started doing these things, and I thought like, why don't I do it for myself? Why I do it for some other people, for some imaginary boyfriend, and I don't do it to the most important person in my life, which is me? What would you feel and what would you think about if you had I don't know, $50,000 in your account? What would you feel and think about if you had this degree? What would you feel and think about if you had a child? So whatever your dream is, you need to think, what would I feel and what would I think and what would I say if I already had this? And then start doing it, start living the life of this person which has it all. And the final thing you can do is to communicate with people that already live the life of your dreams. You can ask them in Facebook. You can what I do is I use my journalist background, and I say, okay, I love this girl, she is great, she is a cool CEO, and I tell her I work for this and this media, I want to have an interview, and that way we exchange some energy, and I get her ideas, I get to know her personality, and the more I talk and interact with people that live the life of my dreams, the more closer I get to it. So it's an easy experiment. You are the average of 5 people you communicate most with. You can even check it, make a small experiment. For example, you can write down the names of 5 people who you talk to or communicate to very often. It doesn't have to be people who are physically near you. Maybe you have a friend that you talk to every day, but she lives on another corner of the world, and write down their names and then write down their incomes. The average will be your own income. That's how this rule works. Just find the ways how to interact more with people that you think are cool and you think they live the life of your dreams, and then you will see how your own life will start changing. I hope these advices were helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos and recommend it to friends. I wish you a great day and a more enlightened life.